Hey guys, welcome to my channel Football Guide and Analysis. So today ISL 2020-21 is going to start and we will discuss about the first match of this year's ISL between ATK Mohun and Kerala Blasters. Kerala Blasters will take on ATK Mohun in the inaugural match of 2020-21 Indian Super League ISL season at GMC Stadium, Bambolim, Goa on today. The Yellow Army will begin its 7th ISL season, while the newly formed ATK Mohun unit will be playing in its first season. Two times runner-up Kerala has won 29 matches in the league out of 102 appearances, with a win percentage of 28.4. Last season's ISL champion ATK and I-League champion Mohun Bagan have merged as one entity, ATK Mohun Bagan. The contest has some interesting subplots with Sandesh Jhingan, the former Kerala Blasters captain and a player of the club for last 6 years, have made a stunning move to join the powerhouse of ATK Mohun Bagan. The two-time ISL champion ATK, who has merged with two-time I-League champion Mohun Bagan, has the second most wins in ISL history with 41 victories from 107 matches, a success rate of 38.3%. Kibu Bhikuna, who led Mohun Bagan to the I-League crown last year, lost out to his counterpart of Antonio Habas in the race to be named as the coach of ATK Mohun Bagan and will now line up against it from the Kerala Blasters bench. ATK Mohun Bagan and Kerala Blasters, both teams have strengthened significantly over the off-season and the match has all the making of an exciting start to the new ISL season. If we check head-to-head count, then we can see Kerala Blasters have won 4 times, ATK have won 5 times and other 5 matches ended as a draw. Kerala Blasters and ATK met in the ISL 14 times, with ATK holding the edge over Kerala with 5 wins and Kerala have won 4 matches. The two-sided clashed in first ISL final in 2014 and later in 2016 as Kolkata emerged as winner on both of the occasions. Though Kerala Blasters are 2 times ISL runners-up and have not made the playoffs in the past 3 seasons, but they are a very good team. They are a very good team to beat ATK. If we check top 3 goal scorers of ATK, so we can see Roy Krishna with 15 goals, David Williams with 7 goals and Edu Garcia in 6 goals. So we can understand that the forward part of ATK Mohun Bagan is the best among these two teams. ATK Mohun Bagan has kept all the players from last season, so they have made a balanced team with a new signing as Sandesh Jhingan. So Arindam Bhattacharya is there in goalkeeper. In defense, we can see Pritam Kotal, Sandesh Jhingan, Tiri, and in wing back Subhashish Bose and Pravir Das was there. So the defense is a very good part, the integral part of this ATK Mohun Bagan team. And in midfield, we can see Javi Hernandez, then Susai Raj and Pranay Haldar is also there, and Michael Regini is also there, and we can see Joyesh Rane. So the midfield is also a very good part of this team. Last season we have seen the form of Roy Krishna and David Williams, and we have seen their partnership of goal scoring. So this year also we expect the same thing from them. So overall, this is the very good match to start ISL campaign for this season, and we are looking forward to it. And I think ATK Mohun Bagan should win this match. What do you think? Who will win the first match of this season's ISL? You can comment down your opinion in comment section. If you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell button to receive notifications.